Revealed! After a full day of reviewing, we're finally sharing our results. Here are the details. Whether you're a seasoned pizza pro or just getting started, having the right tools can make all the difference in crafting that perfect, mouth-watering slice. So, let's talk about the 7 best outdoor pizza ovens, according to our tests.
First up, let's get one thing straight. Homemade pizza tastes infinitely better when you have the right pizza oven. We're talking about the kind that can hit those high temps, at least 700 glowers, to give you that crispy crust and melty toppings we all crave. And no, your traditional kitchen oven just won't cut it for that restaurant-quality pizza at home.
So, we put 22 outdoor pizza ovens to the test, whipping up dozens of pizzas to find the cream of the crop. We looked at everything from preheating time to temperature consistency and overall ease of use. Here's what we found. Best overall, Ooni Koda 16 Pizza Oven. This bad boy is practically synonymous with tabletop pizza ovens now. It's reliable, super user-friendly, and easy to set up. Just pop out the legs, hook it up to the gas, and you're good to go. It heats up in about 25 minutes and cooks pizzas in a lightning-fast 75 seconds. The heat is super consistent from the back to the front, which is a tall order for most ovens. Just a heads up, you'll need to turn your pizza a bit because those flames are hot. But with its large opening, maneuvering is a breeze. Ooni's pizza gloves are a great add-on for extra heat protection. It's heavy duty, but light enough for one person to move, making it perfect for everyday use. For speed, power, and crust consistency, the Ooni Koda 16 is unbeatable. Best value, Ooni Karu 12G multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven. The Ooni Karu 12G is a nifty little oven that's portable and versatile, running on wood, charcoal, or gas. It's an upgraded version with a built-in temperature gauge, rubber grips, and a cool touch door handle. It heats up to 950 decibels and has a redesigned burner tray for better airflow. You'll need to rotate your pizza every 20-30 seconds to avoid burning, but the drop-down door makes it easy. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. It's the lightest oven we tested at just over 34 pounds, though you might need to detach the chimney for storage. The propane burner attachment is a worthwhile investment for quicker cooking. Best wood-fired, Gozney Dome, dual-fuel pizza oven. For that authentic Neapolitan-style pizza, the Gozney Dome is a fantastic option. It's spacious, allowing you to make multiple pies and control direct heat exposure. It retains a consistent temperature and cooks pizzas with beautifully melted toppings and crisp crusts. It's a bit bulky and not very portable, but it's beginner-friendly and comes with a digital thermometer and airflow controls. If you're serious about your outdoor kitchen, this one's worth the splurge. Best compact, Gozney Arc. The Gozney Arc is a scaled-down version of the Dome, designed for convenience and quicker cooking with gas. It heats up to 750 degrees in just 24 minutes and cooks pizzas in under 4 minutes. The digital thermometer and open damper make it easy to use. It's compact but a bit heavy, and you'll need a propane tank. Pairing it with the Gozney Arc pizza oven stand makes it easy to wheel around and keeps the propane tank out of the way. Best new release, Everdure KILN S-Series oven. Everdure's KILN is sleek and ready to use out of the box. It took some trial and error to adjust the flame, but its controls are user-friendly. It doesn't have a built-in temperature gauge, so we used an infrared thermometer. It heats up to 693 degrees in 30 minutes and cooks pizzas in about 4 or 6 minutes. The KILN's design is futuristic, and while it's not the best in terms of results, it's a solid, stylish choice. Best splurge, Alfa Forni Moderno 2 Pizza Oven. For those looking to make their outdoor kitchen a focal point, the Alfa Moderno 2 is a top-tier choice. It runs on wood, charcoal, propane, or natural gas, and preheats to 750 degrees in about an hour. It cooks pizzas in under 4 minutes with perfectly charred edges. It's a bit of a beast to set up, but once it's ready, it's intuitive and delivers excellent results. It's definitely a hefty investment, but if you're serious about pizza, it's worth it. Best for the grill, KettlePizza Pro Pizza Oven Kit. This kit transforms any gas grill into a pizza oven. It includes a 15-inch pizza stone, wooden peel, and stainless steel lid. It's easy to set up and store, and it delivers similar results to some full-sized ovens. The large opening makes it easy to turn pizzas, and we found that closing the grill lid produced the best results. Since 2022, we've tested 22 outdoor pizza ovens, including including updates and new releases from top brands like Gozney, Ooni, Everdure, and Alfa. We rated each oven on cooking performance, design, assembly, use, and cleaning. We found that homemade dough performed best, delivering consistent results across the board. And there you have it, the best outdoor pizza ovens to take your homemade pizza game to the next level. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more pizza tips and reviews.